right there?
That's big. Thanks. Or either smoke from all the birds. Nah, that's the birds. Look at the birds popping up. That's birds.
Is that fish under him though?
I don't know. I just threw in. I got something.
On the birds?
I don't know. I got something.
Yeah.
Is that a bird?
I think we got a bird.
Oh my god. I got a bird. Really?
Is that what you got?
I don't know. It's something big. It feels like a fish. Dude, if I got a bird, this is the first time ever. That's fish down there, ain't it?
That's what I'm thinking. But
It feels like a fish. It don't feel like a bird. It's smoked.
yeah, that was from that pot of fish.
I hope it's a fish and not a damn bird. I don't know what to do with a bird.
I do not know what to do with the bird. Unless you got it on something you can cut off easily. And
I got it on 6 pound test.
that's a fish right there, dude. That's what you got, ain't it?
Yeah, I think it's a fish.
Is that a fish? There's a bunch of them if it is. Kind of look,
Yeah,
acting
I
like
think
it.
they're all swimming with it. Because the birds are left. They're over there. But I don't think these are bass, dude. I think these are hybrids. That's what it feels like, the hybrid.
Yeah. Look, right here.
It's big. Hey, that's a 6 pound test, too. I don't want to break it because this is a good. Getting closer. We're gaining on him.
You seen it yet?
No, not yet. Getting close.
Haven't seen his
I
big
got
bird?
my knot on here.
Haven't seen his big bird yet?
I got my knot on here. Here we go. We ought to be seeing it now. Oh, it's a
Oh
big old
my
striper.
gosh, what a striper. What a striper.
On 6 pound test, dude.
Oh my goodness.
On 6 pound test.
What a striper.
On 6 pound test.
Oh my gosh.
On 6. On gamma 6.
Oh,
Dude, take a picture of that.
I am. You gotta tell your buddy about that.
Yeah. Dude, take a picture of that. Holy moly, on 6.
Oh my gosh. Wow.
God, dude, we could eat for days with that thing.
Well, that's what the rest of these big things
Oh,
are.
you know what? I got that on video.
Did you get it on video?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. That's a giant. Oh, I just knew it was a bird.
On 6 pound test, dude.
I just knew it was a bird.
God. Yeah, I would say that should handle a 4 or 5 pound spot pretty easy.
Yeah, I would say that.
Good gracious sakes alive. Golly.